Good morning. I think it's day 7. I'll double check that right down below. Yes. We are at Carara Parque Nacional, and it should be a ton of fun. I'm told there's lots of birds here, which don't excite me that much, but we'll also see monkeys, hopefully sloths. We'll see. Let's go. Should I touch the tail? These iguanas are kind of crazy. They fit everywhere. Kind of interesting. The highway is right there. You can probably hear the cars, but it feels like we're in the jungle. We are kind of in the jungle. So far, a couple interesting observations. Way less people here, good. Way more bugs here, bad. But not so many that it's annoying yet, so we'll see.
Okay, so right now we have to look up to see any animals, but it's hard to look up and walk at the same time. So we're going kind of slow.
Yeah, it is. These trees blow my mind. Look at that. Look at all these mushrooms. It looks super weird. Crazy. A monster. These ants are insane. Check this out. On the one end, they go off into the jungle there. But in this end, it goes leaf cutter ants, leaf cutter ants, leaf cutter ants. How cool that is. Just go off as far as I can tell. Our strategy for seeing things like sloths is to rely on other people who are looking at it and that we walk up on, but we're having issues because we're not seeing really any people in here. You can hire a guide, not sure how much that is, and they'll find you one, but we like to just look for those guides showing other people where the sloths are. We just haven't found any yet. Can you help us identify these? Mom's theory is they're orchids. What do you guys think?
It's a wild cashew tree.
Ooh, because the tree's wild, does that mean the cashews are spicier?
Yeah.
Nice.
Fun
fact.
Yeah, fun fact.
You little baby lizard. Hey, little baby lizard. Yeah, that's kind of big. Stopping the old time lapse to check this out. Whoa. This is real iffy. Yeah, it's a little beat up. Can't tell what this, if this is a nest where they're dropping off all their leaf cuttings or what.
Oh my gosh.
This is like
the most. They're very
looks like they've dropped
right now.
Yeah, like they've dropped a bunch here, like maybe this is gonna be their nest.
Oh no, look over here.
Oh wow.
Dang.
Oh my
gosh,
goodness.
look over here.
This is crazy. I'll get the iPhone out to record in a second. They've left so many behind. Okay, this is insanity. They're going up the tree, and that's why they're dropping a lot of them.
Yeah.
But look at all this.
You see them going, they're going up and some of them are coming down.
Well, yeah, the ones have to go up to get the ones.
They go back into the forest. Well, one of us got stung by the leafcutter ants. Very unpleasant, it seems. I don't know if we remember to say in the beginning, but this place is known for their scarlet macaws. We haven't seen any yet, and that's probably because we are far too impatient for bird watching. But maybe we will, so we'll see. When the jungle strikes back. Well, no scarlet macaws, but I would say we absolutely killed this hike. We're just getting really good at enjoying ourselves. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it too. On to the next. Wait, say again?
Maracuja. Maracuja.
What's that mean?
Passion fruit.
Oh, maracuja.
Yeah, thanks.
No pina, just passion fruit.
Got it. Maracuja.
Tuna poke bowl.
Nice.
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos, nice.
Chicken something fancy.
Yep.
Look at that fancy thing.
Oh my goodness. Boom. Steak action. Woo. All the colors. We're gonna check out this thing, but it's cold. Oh.
Oh, look at this wheel. Missing out. How fun was our afternoon just now?
Afternoon was so fun. Great food, great company, beautiful pool, beautiful everything. We're gonna go grab one more beach trip tonight before it gets dark at the local spot. Not sure what it's called, but we haven't been there yet, so gonna add that on, get wet one more time for today, and yeah, get crazy.
Anyways, can't get over the view.
Can't get over the view. Why would you want to?
Why do I want to look at you when I can look at that?
I don't know. And I have a very high opinion of myself. Quick update, Christine just checked the traffic and it's super red going to that beach. It's right down the street. So we're gonna head towards home and we will hit Jaco on the way back. That's it. Tomorrow on our last day in Playa Hermosa, we are going to do a waterfall hike and then hopefully get in a little more surfing and some beach time. We'll see where we end up, but so sad. Tomorrow is the last day. It's been a full, super exciting trip. It's been really awesome, but it's slowly drawing to a close, so see you tomorrow. Bye. P.S. I forgot to mention, we had Pops for dinner tonight, so that's 3 days in a row making up for the terrible 4 days where we didn't have any. But yeah, ice cream for dinner. Maybe that's why we're eating French fries and fried plantains right now. So, goodbye again. before this trip, I got hyped to see sharks, crocodiles, bears, hawks, sweet animals. But after this trip, I'm gonna be excited to see butterflies. Last time we were here, we saw a couple that were really cool, but this time we saw so many sweet butterflies. They're one of my favorites now. So, come to Costa Rica for the butterflies. Worth it. Oh, this guy's got to be the alpha.